you for joining us here on the NPTE Final Frontier podcast. My name is Emily, and today we will be diving into a question involving the cardiopulmonary system. So the question reads as follows. A clinician is auscultating a patient's lungs. During auscultation, the clinician hears high-pitched whistling sounds. Which of the following sounds is the clinician most likely hearing? Option A, vesicular. Option B, wheezes. Option C, bronchial. Or option D, bronchi. So first, let's break down each of these option choices. So option A is vesicular, which is a soft, low-pitched sound. Now option B is wheezes, which are characterized by a high-pitched, coarse whistle. And option C is bronchial sounds, which are characterized by loud, hollow, echoing sounds. And finally, option D is rhonchi, which are characterized by more of a rustling sound. And again, remember for this question, we were auscultating a high-pitched whistling sound. So with this information, we can now determine that option B of wheezes is the correct answer choice, since wheezes again are characterized by this high-pitched, coarse whistling sound. Now, let's further dive into these auscultation sounds and determine why they normally occur. Now, vesicular is a normal breath sound, which should be heard over majority of the lungs. Remember, vesicular, majority of the lungs. Now, wheezes are an abnormal sound, and they often occur due to airway obstruction, such as asthma, COPD, or foreign body aspirations. Now, bronchial are also a normal breath sound, and they should occur over the manubrium. So remember, options A of vesicular and options B of bronchial are both actually considered normal breath sounds. They just occur in different areas. And again, vesicular is majority of the lungs, while bronchial is really only occurring over the manubrium. And finally, rhonchi is an abnormal sound. So again, options B of wheezes and options D of rhonchi are both abnormal sounds. Rhonchi often occur due to things such as COPD, pneumonia, bronchiectasis, cystic fibrosis, or chronic bronchitis. Now, lung auscultations are very important for the exam as well as a clinic. This is a topic that should be well understood. So if you are having difficulty with this material, I highly recommend go back and review your notes on your normal and abnormal breath sounds and what should be heard while auscultating the lungs. It is also very important to understand how these sounds will be characterized and what those meanings are of these various sounds. Now, I hope you found this episode discussing lung auscultation helpful. And never forget, warriors, you are powerful, you are strong, you are a final frontier warrior, and you will pass. Thank you very much for listening. For more information on NPTE Final Frontier, please visit npteff.com. You can also check out all of our social media platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Have a great day and a powerful tomorrow.